needs to make a mark. Their defense department makes some noise, but no, Pratik Gandhi there. Left corner, Vishal Hooda making sure he commits that error early, and also Bharat Roy goes out from the right cover. Wasn't required at all for them. Look at that left corner. Vishal Hooda going in for that ankle hold, and also Bharat Roy coming in with a late support. Pratik lies on the captain of NGC. Deepak Nivas Hooda Foundation will not pounce on him. Will give that solo tackle. Will give that bonus if it's required. No, Vijay once again making a mistake there, Arvind. Vijay wasn't necessary to do that as a raider.
In fact, if you look at this game, all the points have been earned by the DNH Foundation, right? With Vishal earning 2 points for the NGC. Margin of more than 6 points, right? He was aware that if you win by that larger margin, you get that extra point on the points table. So the way this tournament is structured, there are these two pools. You need to get into the top 3 of the pool to even qualify for the K7 finals. And then you have the Super 6, which is the prize money stage of this event. So this tournament, like you said, tough to be a referee in these games, but getting some of those things, noticing those jersey pulls in real time looks near impossible, right?
Very true, very true. But again, look at Pratik Dahiya, one man making Vishal Hooda his bunny. I would want Arvind to be on that coaches panel. He will be tackled down. Yes, he will be. Finally, some breathing space and some shouting time for me for NGC. Sansar, the man who was getting their raid points, has that tackle point towards his name. Goes in for that double ankle hold, gets a support from his captain Deepak. Look at Sansar, my God, an all-round effort. Because when your defense is not working, you are working for yourself. Do or die raid defense will not make any errors. I just doubt Tarun. On that right cover. He looks very anxious. Apart from him, I don't see anything coming in. Not even Goldie this time. Has he got him, Goldie? There we go. Arvind again puts his head down.
I'm not going to say much about what Goldie can or can't do. I hope he will use this game as practice. I think the squad...
Yes, first half to be concluded. Sansar trying his level best, but 19-26. Big lead here for Deepak Nivas Hooda Foundation, and there we conclude that first half. But I wonder, Arvind, why is Hardeep not started? Hardeep not starting and Goldie, I guess, for a match practice situation. But this match being so important to win, what was Deepak Nivas Hooda's think tank thinking about sending in Goldie? Because Hardeep gave so much support there along with Pratik Hooda on those corners. But one man to look out for NGC will...
He's having a really nightmare of a match, right? And I think this is just poor coaching to not make the decision to substitute him. You got Ankit on the bench. You might not want to put in Himanshu in the corner position. We definitely have Ankit whom you can put on. You can play Deepak from the left corner. See, every time we saw Deepak standing in the corner position...
DNH Foundation will... their eyes, it'll be a difficult part to do. He's got 2 points. What a raid this could be for Rakesh. Narwal Golden Club trying to come back into this match. He's definitely got Vijay.
It's 2 fantastic points, yeah.
Yes, look at that.
He got Vijay and then
Vijay goes out. Ankle hold by Pratik Dahiya. It's not just Sansar doing the all-round duties. Pratik Dahiya shows, I mate, even I am equipped to do that. Super tackle.
You know, when the players registered, Pratik registered himself as an all-rounder. And there was a lot of questions people are asking, Pratik, the NGC don't have the defensive ability to kind of block the balk line, and even a defender of Naveen's caliber, they should see. This is exactly what I'm saying. This is not something you should allow. They're not getting that all out in.
Very true. Very true. Look at that. A 2-point raid for Naveen as a defender, getting in that Dubki and getting over the midline. NGC would have got that all out. Now 2 men revived back for Deepak Nivas Hooda Foundation, and Rakesh has all the talking to do now.
I'm definitely not signing up for that, Naveen.
Wow, very true. Neither me, because now the contention is whether Pratik Dahiya crossed it or did a defender step out of line. discussion on here. Once again, it is that man in question, Bharat Roy, and also Deepak, their captain, coming in from that left position. And also it was Vishal Hooda that we were talking about. But having said that, see, we are raid, our first super raid of the match, a 3-point raid. But having said that, Arvind, I give full credit for these lads. Suicide attack, a suicide attempt there. Vijay gets a tackle point to his name. All out is Narwal Golden Club. But these lads have shown such determination, way of execution of stats. That is because we might, as you said, it's very easy to sit in front of microphone.
Them previously, and so they had a good defensive unit back then.
Right. So that defensive unit has lost its balance somewhere, as they are doing right now on this match. Deepak goes out along with Bharat Roy. So have you seen Bharat Roy commit these errors? I'm not sure if Roy would be that man who can commit such kind of errors if the defense unit was so good. I definitely congratulate you on that. Rakesh now gets in and gets a point on a do-or-die raid, and that is Goldie again. Once again, I'm not going to pinpoint Arvind this time, because it's he will again do a dash on me and push me commentary chair. But having said that, look at the way your team definitely will not make any changes for their grooming and for their upbringing. And do or die raid, Pratik Dahiya gets a point as easy as cutting a cake. Vishal Hooda is the man again presenting that cake, and they are creating superstars. That's what I was trying to say. Where your the Kabaddi Adda team group players under 21 years of age, they are putting them on the world map, not an India map. They're putting them on the world map, isn't it?
No, I think that's a really fair comment, Naveen. I think this,
it's just that execution that is needed. Sansar, look at that. That's very +1, and he's been that standalone hero for NGC.
Sansar has been a shining light for NGC. I think a player of Sansar's caliber needs to, it is very sad that such extended exposure to, to professional high quality physios, and the AOSM has really invested a lot of time going into this tournament. And as we speak, we see DNH Foundation locked their third position. Yes.
Yes, the final whistle going up there. 14-point win for Deep Hooda Foundation. I'm sure the best all-rounder, one of the rounder on the mat, Deepak Nivas Hooda, will definitely be very happy with this, because they are locked in with that third position and go into that. Pratik Dahiya just jumps the